Are you tired of taking care of a big yard in the spring, summer, and fall months and then having to shovel snow in the winter? Are you tired of having to climb stairs every time you want to do laundry or get something out of the basement? Are you tired of taking care of a huge house with all the cleaning and repairs that need to be done and then really only living in maybe half of it? If you're tired of any of these things, you need to come and take a peek at this condo behind me. This house will solve all these problems that I just talked about. I'm Cindy with Senior Relocation Made Easy here in Utah County. I'm an active real estate agent here in Utah County. And today we're going to list this condo behind me. It is on the more affordable side of 55 plus housing, listed at $365,000. Let's go take a look.
This 55 plus condo was built in 2003. It is 1,385 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and this is going into the living room and looking into the dining room and kitchen. Laundry hookups. Furnace and water heater. Going into the kitchen, this is more storage. You've got a pantry, a big pantry there. You've got more storage in your kitchen. The refrigerator is included in the transaction. You've got your microwave, your stove, got a garbage disposal. This is looking out into the living room. Here's a desk that you can put your computer at and do your work at. This is looking into the living room and the dining room. New windows were installed in 2024, as well as new blinds in the living room. This is going into the main bedroom. You have 2 big closets. The main bathroom has a shower. Now we're going back into the second bedroom. Second bedroom comes with the drapes. It also has 2 big closets. Looking into the second bathroom. This bathroom has a tub and shower. Going out into the hallway, there's a common hallway that takes you down to the elevator, or there's stairs that you can take if you want to. This will take you down to the parking garage. This is a locked door, so nobody can get up that does not have a key. This is going into the parking garage. You have 2 parking spots. Number 1 has a parking spots right here on the end, as well as a storage room right at the end of the parking spots. This is a huge storage area. It's 468 square feet with lots of shelving and tables. You can store a lot of things here. Looking out of the parking garage, you can look up to 700 East. That's the main road that runs right past Village Green. And you've also got RV parking. And this is coming around the front. Again, it's an end unit. It's an easy move in on the end. You've got more windows and more natural light to enjoy. Out your front window, you've got a big grassy area where not much is going on. There's not much traffic that gets back here. This is a look at Village Green from the front, some of the front-facing units along 700 East. So the HOA fees are, again, $315, and that covers Xfinity, internet, cable TV, trash, landscape maintenance, snow removal, elevator maintenance, and the exterior insurance.
So like I said, this condo is on the more affordable side of 55 plus housing. You're here in American Fork, you're here on the east side, which is a great side of town. You are very close to a lot of amenities. The American Fork Hospital is just down the road, and a mile and a half to 2 miles. You can get there in less than 5 minutes. There's grocery stores, you have your Macy's, your Walmart. They're less than 5 minutes away. You have movie theaters, you have the new Hale Center Theater that just opened up in Pleasant Grove. You could get there in less than 10 minutes. The LDS Temple is just up the road here. You can get there in less than 5 minutes. So you're in a very convenient place. You're going to get spoiled being able to get to things so fast. This unit is in the back side of Village Green, so it's away from the busy road. You're not going to get a lot of traffic back here. Your front window looks out onto a big grassy area, and like I said, it's just a really peaceful place to live. If you like this video and you want to check out more 55 plus housing here in American Fork, you're going to want to watch this video next.